Okay, now let me show you how to install it. The first thing we need to do is to attach this thermocouple here. We tighten this screw. Then we attach this main burner supply tube here. Then we install this pilot supply tube. After that, we need to install this piezo igniter bracket here to attach this to the controller. And here, there's a wire here. It can be detached and attached from here. So when you install it, you just attach this wire to this igniter, piezo igniter. When you press this button, it is also called a striker. Striker will produce the spark and ignite the pilot natural gas. It's very hot now because it's burning. So after you attach all those things, we just follow the regular steps of start the pilot, then we turn the knob here to the on position. Then we set the temperature control to 1 here. The arrow pointed to 1 to this setting. And everything's set. Obviously the burner is burning now. It takes half an hour to heat up the cold water. Now the water heater is working again. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this will help you guys troubleshoot a water heater problem.